Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can buy a family membership on YouTube. Now, for you to do that, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in youtube.com and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be on the home page of YouTube. Now, firstly, make sure that the correct profile on which you want to buy the YouTube membership is logged in and then proceed. So to do that, click on this profile icon on the top right corner of your screen like this and then see your profile is correct or not. And if you want to switch your YouTube profile, simply click on the switch account option and you can switch between the profiles which is linked to your device. So to move on to buying a YouTube family membership, on this left menu bar, go ahead and hover your mouse on this left menu bar and then scroll down and find this YouTube Premium option and click on it. Once you click on the YouTube Premium option, you will be redirected to another page. Now, to buy a YouTube Family Premium membership, scroll down and find these options. Now, on these options, you'll see this individual tab, which is a $3.49 per month membership, a student tab, which is a $1.99 per month membership, and a family tab, which is a $6.49 per month membership. Now, to buy this, simply click on this try 1 month for USD $0 button and click on it. After you click on that option, this pop-up will appear on your screen. Now on this pop-up, you'll have to tick on this add debit or credit card option and then click on buy. And once you click on buy, you'll have to fill in your card details here and then click on the save card option. And once you do that, you will have purchased the family YouTube membership option if your card details are valid. I hope this video helped you to purchase the YouTube family membership. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. And do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.